Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. If you want to know how to build a better mousetrap, find a builder who has done it before. Today we're in Logan, Utah, and home of the American Louver and Vent Company. After 15 years in the construction and siding business, the founder became frustrated with the limited selection of Gable Vents available for his customers. Well, eventually he began producing custom Gable Vents for his siding company. From his own experience, he could identify a great need for these products. So in July 2008, he started American Louver and Vent Company to produce the vents full-time. From their shop in Logan, Utah, they serve homeowners, contractors, and dealers across the country with vents that improve airflow, reduce moisture, and require zero maintenance. With fast turnaround times, numerous shape and size options to choose from, and with over 100 colors available, they make it easy to get exactly what you need for your project. Proudly made in the USA, their vents are trusted by builders and homeowners nationwide, and they are committed to providing products that last while supporting your timeline and your budget. When it comes to optimizing your home's ventilation, aluminum Gable Vents stand out as a reliable solution. At American Louver and Vent Company, they take pride in offering top-quality aluminum Gable Vents that not only enhance the ventilation of your home, but also provide lasting durability and reliability, providing effective airflow and moisture control for attics of all sizes. Visit American Louver and Vent Company at alvcompany.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.